Kristen Boyd, double D windstorm, leading from left side, walk 8 to 10 steps in a straight line. Halt, salute. Back horse 5 to 8 steps, halt. Kristen Boyd, double D windstorm, DLD, June of 24, in hand, dressage. Perform 360 turn on forehand, moving haunches away from handler, halt. Reverse, switch sides to the right side of horse. Leading from right side, walk 8 to 10 steps in a straight line. Halt. Back horse 5 to 8 steps, halt. Perform 360 turn on forehand, moving haunches away from handler. Leading from right side of horse, walk 20-foot approximate diameter circle counterclockwise, or clockwise. Halt when circle is finished, or started, sorry. Switch to left side of horse. Leading from left side of horse, walk 20-foot approximate diameter circle counterclockwise and halt where circle started, salute.